How to set custom ringtones on Samsung. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to set up custom ringtones on your Samsung device. Let's begin. First thing first, open up your settings. Then you want to go over to sound and vibration. And at the very top, you'll find the ringtone option. Tap on it. You can do this for both SIM 1 as well as SIM 2. So if I head over to SIM 2, I'm able to change the ringtones. If I move all the way up here, here are some of the custom ringtones I've already added. Now, if you want to add more, you can find the plus icon at the top right corner. Go there, and what you need to do is select a song or a ringtone from your folders or your music section. Then you can just go ahead and tap on folders at the bottom right, find different folders here. Then you can easily go ahead and select any music you want. So let me just go ahead and select this. Now, once that is done, tap on play. You can also tap and select the part of the song you want to make the ringtone. And once that's done, tap on done at the top right, and it will be added as your custom ringtone on your Samsung device. And there you go. That's how you do it. If this was helpful to you, consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.